Vlogmas. Today is December 9. It's a very chill Sunday. Just staying at home the whole day because I woke up with cough and colds. So I wasn't feeling well when I woke up, but I'm much more better now. But cross fingers, I'm well before Thursday or my flight to the States, because it's so hard to travel when you're sick and not feeling well, because you wouldn't have much energy as you usually have. So yeah, I hope I'm well by then. But since I'm just staying at home today, I still decided to vlog for you guys. So for today's Vlogmas, I'm gonna be doing a haul on this package that I got like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So it's a long overdue video. It's from Fashion 21, and honestly I've never tried their products, so I'm gonna be testing it out with you guys, sharing with you guys my honest review and opinion if it's worth it, especially for those who are on a budget, because it's a local brand, so it's very affordable. So this is the package that Fashion 21 sent me. These are their social media sites in case you guys are interested. And I haven't gone through all these products yet, so we're gonna be doing a little quick haul on that. Here is everything that they sent me, and I believe these are like their bestseller ones, so most of their consumers love these products, so let's see if I'll love them too. Since I laid them out all in my bed, let's do a haul in this position, okay? So first is the Fashion 21 Ultimate Cover BB Cream and Concealer. This one has SPF 30, which I believe products that has SPF is amazing, because especially that we live in a tropical country, so more protection the better. And then the other thing that they sent me is for the base. It's a two-way cake with papaya extract. I'm in the shade number 2, and it also has SPF, but this one is SPF 35. They sent me false lashes in the style number 2. Fun fact, I've never tried putting on false lashes on my own, so yeah, just put it out there. Today's not the day we're gonna be trying this out, but it looks really pretty though. This next one I'm really looking forward to. It's their lip and cheek gel. Claims to be long-lasting color with cooling effect, easy to squeeze application, bring anywhere for quick retouch. So I'm not quite sure what shade this is. Oh wait, it says here pala. It's shade number 2. And I love using lip and cheek tints because it's very natural, perfect for teenagers, just to achieve that lightweight and fresh look. They sent me a Color Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sheeran. Perfect for the holidays. It's like a reddish, very festive color. They also sent their Double Up Mascara. It claims to lash up 2 times longer and stronger. They also sent their Eyeshadow Kit. This one is in the shade number 5. It has a lot of neutral colors that you could use on the daytime and the nighttime, and they're all shimmery colors, so I love these. These are the colors that I would usually like to go for. They sent this Eyebrow Pencil in the shade dark brown, and it also comes with a brush. Focus please. There. They sent this eyeliner, and it claims to be water resistant. I don't really wear makeup when swimming or whatever, so I can't really test it out if it's water resistant. Lastly, they sent me this eyebrow gel in the shade soft brown. It's smudge proof, which I don't think I'll be able to use because guys, compare it naman to my hair color. My hair is very dark black, and this is like a very light brown, so I don't think I'll be able to use this. So I'm just bringing all the makeup products into my desk because we're gonna be trying it out, and I'll put you guys over here. Oh, and also by the way, if you guys notice, I'm wearing my Daniel Wellington. You guys could use my code, which will be over here, to get discount, and this is perfect when you guys want to give it as a gift for your loved one or your friends or for yourself, because it's super nice and very fashionable. So anyways, going back to the point of this vlog, to start off my makeup routine, I usually apply moisturizer, but I already did a while ago after taking a shower, so we're skipping that. But if you guys haven't, then definitely use your moisturizer so that your face isn't dry and patchy. And the first thing that I'm going to be applying is this BB cream and concealer. I'm just going to try to put my bangs at the side because I don't have a headband at the moment. But I applied some BB cream at the back of my hand, and it came with this one. I feel like this is the concealer and this is the BB cream. I don't know. Let's just test this out and whatever. So I'm going to be applying some to my face. I'm done dotting it all over my face. I'm just going to be using a sponge to evenly apply it all over my face. So far, in my opinion, it's not that hard at all to blend it out. Some would use a brush, but I personally like using beauty blenders when applying my base, foundation, concealer, and stuff like that. Also guys, don't forget to spread it out a little bit to the neck area just to make sure it's evened out. And we are done blending out the base. I would say I really like it. It looks very natural. It just looks like it evened out my face. It doesn't feel heavy or anything, and it's very easy to blend. So far I really like this product. And now we're going to be trying out the concealer part, which is this one, I guess. So I'm just going to be applying some. So far so good. I really like this product. Again, this is the Ultimate Cover BB Cream plus Concealer. Now we can move on to our next product, which is the two-way cake with papaya extract. It's a pretty light orange or like peachy color. Then when you open it, it comes with a sponge. And then when you flip it again, the powder's over there and a mirror. So it's very compact and very perfect when traveling and when you want to retouch. But sadly, I don't really use sponges when applying powder. So I'm going to be using a powder brush. This one I'm also in the shade number 2, and I also like it. I didn't really have a hard time applying it, and it's also very light as well. I didn't see that much difference. Maybe it's because I already applied base underneath. But so far so good. I don't really use eyebrow pencils that much anymore, and the eyebrow gel isn't my shade, so we're gonna be skipping this. I'm just gonna be applying eyebrow gel of a different brand that I'm used to. Because they didn't send me any contour or bronzer powder, I'm just gonna be using the one that I have at home, which is from Too Faced. It's the Chocolate Soleil. I've been using this for so many years. Ever since I started makeup, I guess this is the bronzer that I've been using. So I'm just gonna be putting a very light amount. Okay, so afterwards, we're heading on to our cheeks. They didn't send the blush, so we're gonna be using this lip and cheek gel. This is how their lip and cheek tint looks like. So when you open it, it just looks like that. And you have to squeeze it. And then the product goes out. There, can you guys see it? And just putting that to the apples of my cheeks. Okay, so it looks very minimal on camera, but in person it's pretty much pink. It's like really obvious. I'm usually a fan of blushes that looks just natural. I don't know if I really like this product, but anyways, let's apply some to our lips. Okay, I think I'm a fan of it when it's on my lips, but on the cheeks not so much because it looks pigmented in person. I don't know why in camera it doesn't look that pigmented, but anyways. Now let's proceed on to the eyeshadow. We're gonna achieve for a very natural look. So I'm just gonna be using 2 eyeshadow brushes. So I zoomed you guys in so that you can see what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm getting this first shade, or the most top shade, and I'm applying it all over my lid area. And I'm just using the mirror from the 2AK. And it's not super pigmented, or maybe it's just because it's kind of like my skin color. That's why I don't see much of a difference. But this is the one with eyeshadow, this one is without. So you guys could see not that much difference. I'm just applying it all over my lid area. Now that we're done with the base, let's use a different brush. I'm gonna be using a more fluffier a more fluffier brush, and I'm gonna be taking this second shade, and I'm just gonna be applying it at the most outer part of my lid. And that's how I usually just do my eyeshadow makeup look. So I'm just putting this to make my eyes pop and look more awake. It's a very easy and simple way. So now that we're finally done with the eye area, we can move on to putting, actually no, I'm still gonna be putting a very thin layer of liquid eyeliner. Okay, I'm not used to applying eyeliners, but this one made it really easy. I really like the brush and the tip because it's very thin. So since I don't know how to make a wing eyeliner, I just did it straight. And yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys out because you're so close. I'm such a fail. I zoomed you guys out so early. I forgot we still have to apply mascara. But this is how the packaging looks like. I don't know if it's really red or maybe it's just red because of the holiday season, but it looks very chic. So let's see how it goes. Wow. It does make your eyelashes look longer. Cool. If you guys didn't know, I'm a fan of mascaras that make your eyes pop out but still looks natural, and I super love this. Like, can you guys see the difference? The thing with mascaras though, some are just really hard to take out. But I don't think this is waterproof or water resistant, so hopefully it's easier to take out. Last is to apply lipstick. However, I'm not a huge fan of red lipsticks like these, so I'm not quite sure if I'm going to be opening it. I'm probably just going to be using my own, which is this one from Happy Skin. It's the Bell Moisturizing Lipstick. Kind of like a brown mauve color. So this is the finished look, you guys. As I told you, I have bangs, so the eye part isn't really much noticeable, but I do like it. Also the highlighter from the eyeshadow, it really makes my eyes pop a lot, and I love the mascara, you guys. I just love it. Although the cheek tint, it looks like way vibrant compared to a while ago. Maybe it's the lighting or what, but I'm not really a huge fan of it. But the rest of the products, I do really like it. There were some products that I wasn't able to use, like the brow gel because it's too light, and then the liquid lipstick. By the way, if you guys are interested, I'll put the name of the products that I use down below, as well as the price, or like how much it costs and stuff like that. However, there are 3 products that I wasn't able to use, which is the eyebrow pencil, eyebrow gel, and the liquid lipstick. I really want to try them out, but they're just like not the right shade for me. So I guess that is a wrap for today's vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe down below to be part of the Lexynator fam and to get updated and notified every time I post a new video, as well as if you guys want to join my giveaway with 3 products that I wasn't able to use, just follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and also subscribe to my channel, of course, and give this video a thumbs up and just leave your Instagram or Twitter username down below. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next vlogmas. Bye guys!